Hi students. So till now in the previous session we have discussed about perimeter from the mensuration chapter. What is perimeter? The total length of the boundary of a closed figure is perimeter, and we have come across the shapes of a rectangle, square, triangle, a regular hexagon. These are all how to calculate perimeter. The total length of the boundary is perimeter. In this session, today's class, we are going to discuss about the another concept which is related in the mensuration, that is area. Area is, you see now, I have a duster in my hand. When I am placing it on the board, you see, I can trace out it easily. I can trace out this easily when I am placing it. So here, this duster, when I am tracing out, now you are getting a closed figure which is a regular, which is a shape. So this is the shape when I traced out outline. Is it occupying the complete board? No, it's not occupying complete board. You see, just it is occupying some place. So the object, a plane surface, which is how much it is covered, that particular portion, that particular surface, amount of the surface covered by a closed figure, a particular object, is called its area. So this is not occupying complete. How much it is occupying? So that is the area. Even you can see when you are sitting in your home, when you are arranging things, chair at one place, table at one place, in the bedroom, a bed. How much place they occupy? And window, you can see for the wall. Is it full wall is window? No. A particular portion is a window. Right. So that particular portion. So amount of the surface occupied by a closed figure. Amount of the surface occupied by a closed figure is called its area. Let us see more about it. So here area, if you want to cover the floor of a room with tiles, you need to know the number of tiles that will fit into the floor. The number of tiles required depends on the shape and size of the room. A room with big area needs more tiles for its flooring than a room with small area. Let us understand the concept of area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Application of area. The concept area is widely used in everyday life, as is evident in the following examples. The cost of land to be purchased depends on its area. More the area, more the cost. To calculate the amount of paint required to paint a room, one takes into consideration the area of the walls of the room and ceiling and windows. To calculate the amount of glass required for a window, you need to know that area of the window. To determine how much colored paper is needed to cover a bulletin board, you have to calculate the area of the bulletin board. So you can see units of area. Area is measured in square units. The common unit of area is 1 square. See here, we have 1 centimeter in all the places. This side, the total, all 4 sides are equal, 1 centimeter. So the unit of area, its area is 1 centimeter square or 1 square centimeter. centimeter. So 1 square it is an area of a square having each side is 1 centimeter shown in the adjoining figure. If a figure contains 8 squares having each side is as 1 centimeter, then area of the figure is 8 square centimeter as shown in the diagram. So here each box represents the side of each square is 1 centimeter, then 8 square centimeters. So the important point is the area of the figure is the number of square units to takes to cover a surface. Finding area. To find area of a figure using graph paper. We can find the area of regular and irregular figures by using the graph or a square paper to find the area. First, we draw the figure on the graph paper covering as many squares as possible. How to use the graph sheet? Each, that is ABCD is one figure and PQR is a triangle, WXYZ and WABCD is one more, that is regular and irregular shapes. How to find out area? So in the first one ABCD, 8 square units is there, so 8 square units, and in the triangle we can see all full squares, we can see 1 2 3 4 5 6, whereas 1 and 4 are covering only half part and top half you can count it. And WXYZ you can see 9 square units it is covered, and one more irregular shape ABCD is covering 7 square units. So like this we can trace out the figure and we can find out area of the graph, area of the given object. While counting the area using the graph paper, first we count all full boxes and then we count number of more than half also we cover it as we conclude as 1. If it is exactly half, we will count as half squared. So like that we add the total and we find area of the figures. Here one example we see. Find area of the shape shown in the figure. See here there is a figure. Fully filled squares, you can count 1, 2, 3. Half filled squares there are 3. So area covered by the full squares is 3 into each box is 1 square unit, 3 square units. And half square units there are 3, so 3 halves is nothing but 1.5, so total area is 4 square units. Like this we will count area. Till now we have discussed how to find area by using the graph sheet or graph paper. Now let us see for some shapes area of a rectangle. So as we know in the earlier classes also we have discussed a rectangle which we know that opposite sides are equal. Now here I have a rectangle. You see this rectangle we are dividing into number of equal square boxes, 1 square units, like 1 square units. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you see first row we have 1 square centimeter, 1 square centimeter, 1 square centimeter, 1 square centimeter, 1 square, like this. And like this 2 rows we have. Here how many rows we have? How many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns and 2 rows. First row and second row. So here this is 2 units. Distance from here to here is 1 unit. So total distance is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units distance is there, and here total 2 units distance, 2 units. So the area, now you see each one is 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, like this. So this is 1 square unit, 1 square unit. So this is 1 square unit area. Like that, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 units, 12 square units, 12 square units, the area of this object. How we are getting 12? 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is equals to 12 square unit. 12 square units. Next, one more object we will see. Now, each one is again the similar process. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here, observe it. Each one, this is 1 square unit, 1 square unit, 1 square unit, 1 square unit, 1 square unit. So this is 1 unit distance. So from here to here, total how many unit distance? From here to here, 1 unit distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 units distance is there, and down. From here, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Total 3 units distance is there. 3 units distance. If it is in centimeter, we write centimeter. If it is meters, we write meters. So now area, each one smaller box represents 1 square unit. Total number of how many square boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 3, 18. So 6 into 3 is equals to 18 square units. So from this, what can we consider? What can we conclude? So to find area, these are all the rectangular shapes. So to find area of a rectangle, we think this is the length and this is the breadth. Length, breadth. So area of a rectangle, area of a rectangle, that is equal to first rectangular shape. So this is the length L and breadth B. Length we denote with L, breadth we denote with B. Then area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth square units. As per the units, we write as per the distance. Like meters, we write square meters. If it is centimeters, we write centimeter square or square centimeter. Like that, we will write. So length into breadth square units. Next, suppose if we take this is length in centimeter and breadth, then area is equals to L into B, length into breadth. So if you have 5 centimeter length, 3 centimeter breadth, then 5 into 3 is equals to 15 square centimeters. 15 square centimeter. This is the area. If you take one more example, 10 centimeter into 4 centimeter. 10 is the length, 4 is the breadth. So 10 into 4, 40 square centimeter. Like this we calculate length into breadth to find area of a rectangle. I hope it is clear to you. You can see in the box here how many centimeters we are taking in the figure 1a, that is 2 centimeter breadth, 4 centimeter length is given. 4 into 2, which is equals to 8 square centimeter, is the area. So area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth, and if you want to calculate length of a rectangle, then area by breadth, breadth of a rectangle if you want, area by length. You see, these two are very important. Length of a rectangle if you want to calculate, area divided by breadth. Breadth of a rectangle, if you want to calculate, then we use area by length. Here is one important point. Units measuring of area are square millimeter, square centimeter, square meters, or square kilometer. It based on the distance, based on the units given, we write square centimeter, square millimeters, like that. Area of a square. How to calculate area of a square? That is, here you can see. So similar process. We are tracing out with the number of equal square boxes of one square unit area. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines we made, and 1, 2, 4 lines we made. Now you see, check it. Each one from here to here 1 unit distance. So total 4 units distance. How much? 4 units. And similarly, square means all sides are equal. All sides are equal. So this side also 4 units. So from here to here 4 units distance is there. Now you count. Each box is 1 square units. Total how many boxes we have? Yes, you are right. That is 16. How we are getting 16? 4 into 4. 4 into 4 is equals to 16 square units. 16 square units. Let us have one more example. Each one is 1 unit distance. So here we have, now from here to here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, or you can say 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit. Total 3 unit distance we have. Similarly here 3 unit distance, 3 unit distance. Now each box is 1 square unit. Then total area is how much? 9. So 9 square units, which is 3 into 3, 9 square units. 3 into 3, 9 square units. So area we measured, we write the units for area square units. Remember, whatever it is, either it is a rectangle or a square or a triangle, area we write, the units of area is square units. What are the units? Square units. Now, square. So this is the, all sides are equal as we know. So side and this is side. Area of a square. Area of a square is equals to side into side. Side into side. So no need to give all 4 sides. If you know one side, that is applicable for all 4 sides, because square has 4 equal sides. It's a closed figure, right? So here 4 into 4, this is a square. 3 into 3, this is a square. So area of a square is equal to side into side. Side into side. Now, side into side. Then, to find area of a square, we multiply side into side. That is, side itself we multiply. Side, you multiply with itself, then you get area. Then you will get area of the square. So side area is equals to side into side. Side into side. So if you have side, just now I said square is nothing but all sides are equal. We have already learned about these properties. What is square, what is rectangle in previous chapters. So side, if you have 10 centimeter, then 10 centimeter, 10 into 10, which is equals to 100 square centimeter. If you have 2 meters, then 2 meters, 2 into 2, which is equals to 4 square meters. This is about area of the square. So what is area of the square? Side into side. You can see here area of square is equals to side into side square units. Side into side square units. Always remember units of measuring area are either if it is meter square millimeter square millimeters, centimeter square centimeter, meter square meters. If it is kilometer square kilometer. See one example. What is the area of a rectangular plot having side as 45 meters and 30 meters? So length L is 45 meters, breadth B is 30 meters, area of the plot is L into B, which is length into breadth, 45 into 30, which is equals to 1350 square meters. Let us see exercise 10.3. Question number 1. Find area of rectangles. So the question number 1, whose sides are given? One is 3 cm and 4 cm. So length is always more, breadth is always we assume that length which is having more, that is length, and the other one is breadth. Similarly, question in the same question, this is D, and question number 2 I have written, that is about square. This is a rectangle and this is square. Question number 2, find area of the square. So question number 1, 3 cm and 4 cm. So length you can write as L is equals to 4 cm. Breadth B is equals to 3 cm. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, or you can write L into B also, length into breadth, which is equals to square units. So 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter, which is equals to 12. 4 3s are 12 square centimeter. Generally, while substitution time, we will not write the units. Finally, we can write the units also. 4 centimeter into 3 centimeter, which is equals to 12 centimeter. So you can write even, or you can write 4 into 3 square centimeter, which is equals to 12 square centimeter. Anything, either like this or like this. So better avoid writing units while multiplication time. Finally you can write. Now D1, 2 meters and 70 centimeters. This is also a rectangle. One is 2 meters, another one is, you can draw a rough figure. This is rectangle 4 centimeter and this is 3 centimeter here. 2 meters and 70 centimeters. But units are different. Like length L is equals to 2 meters. You see here, one is in meters, one is in centimeter. Which one is the bigger quantity? Yes, meter is the bigger quantity. And centimeters is smaller. Convert bigger to small, because when we do the calculation, when we do any operation, we need to convert the unit same. As 1 meter is equals to, we know that 100 centimeter, so 2 meters is equals to, yes, 2 into 100, which is equals to 2 into 100 centimeter, which is 200 centimeter. So now length is how much? 200 centimeter. So length L is equals to 200 centimeter. Breadth, we have already the same units, that is 70 centimeter. Area is equals to, area of which shape we are talking? A rectangle. So length into breadth. We can write even shortly L into B also square units. So L length we have 200 into breadth we have 70. They are in centimeter. So square centimeter. 200 into 70. 7 2s are 14. 14,000 square centimeter. Therefore, area of rectangle is equals to 14,000 square centimeter. I hope you understood. Now question number 2, find area of the square whose sides are given. Find area of the square whose sides are given. Here side of the square is given as 5 meters. So square, rough diagram we can 5 meters. This is 5 meters. All sides will be 5 meters. So side of a square is equals, we denote with S, is equals to 5 meters. Side of a square we denote with 5, that is S, with the letter S. So side of a square is S and we write as 5 meters. Side of the square is 5 meters. Now that is, we denoted with S, side of a square is S, which is equals to 5 meters. Now area of a square, what is that? Side into side, square units. Side into side, square units. So area is equals to 5 into 5 square meters. This is in meters. So 5 5s are 25 square meters. What is this? Here we have square units. That is side into side square units. Area of a square, side into side square units. Side into side square units. So area is equals to 5 into 5 square meters, which is 25 square meters. Therefore, area of square is equals to 25 square meters. So like this, we need to calculate. I hope you understood. Let us see question number 4. Area of a rectangular garden 50 meters long is 300 square meters. Find width of the garden. So there is a garden which is in a rectangular shape. So garden is in a rectangular shape. Let us draw a rectangular shape. So length, area of a rectangular garden 50 meters long is 300 square meters. So this area is given. This is the area. So this area is 300 square meters. 300 square meters. And the length of the garden is given, that is 50 meters. Length L is equals to 50 meters. Now he is asking us to find breadth, that is question mark. We have to find it. So area of rectangle is equals to 300 square meters. Length of the rectangle which is L is equals to 50 meters. This is length. Now we have to find out breadth. Breadth is equals to area by length. Area by length. So which is 300 by 50. 300 by 50. If you divide with 50, 300. So 50 6 5 are. So how much? 6 meters, which is equals to 6 meters. So therefore, breadth of the garden is equal to 6 meters. I hope you understood how to calculate when they give length and area, how to calculate breadth. Even similar process, when you know area and breadth, you can same way you can find out length also. So today we have discussed what is the area. The units of area is square units. Important point is units. We write for area square units. How to find out by using the graph sheet? How to find out by using the application part, by using the formula, we call it as formula based. L into B, length into breadth. Similarly, area of a square we calculated side into side. And if you know length and if you know the area, how to calculate the breadth of a rectangle, today we have discussed. And leftover we see in the next class. Apart from this, from the same exercise, exercise 10.3, some homework questions. That is question number 1, B, C, question number 2, A, and third question, A, B, C, all you have to complete. All the questions A, B, C, 3 you have to complete in question from question number 3. So this is your homework. I hope you understood. Let us meet again in the next session. Thank you.